it's Sabrina
and Kyla.
and welcome back to the
Cardello Sisters.
Today we're going to be doing a real cooking
Mini donut baking set.
It makes 12 donuts and includes
The instructions right here.
1 cake mix,
1 donut mold,
2 packs of sprinkles, 1 star sprinkles, and the other just regular jimmies.
some melting chocolates. They come with blue and pink.
Some ingredients that you'll need from home are milk and baking spray.
And also, you need 1 egg.
Let's get started. So all of our extra little pieces here are from the Ultimate Baking Starter set that we're using. This bowl has a little suction cup stand that allows the bowl not to move around when you're dumping stuff in, which makes it a lot easier. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to cut open the cake mix and dump it into this bowl. Dump, dump, dump. Make sure that you get all the cake mix in because you don't want to lose any.
None.
No. And this little corner's being started. Okay, there we go. So now you're gonna want to dump in 4 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to pour it over here so that I don't spill.
And make sure to fill it up to the line and then stop and then pour it in. What do we do again, Sabrina?
This is my 3rd and then the last one.
Okay, so 4. Right?
Yep. Done.
And also this bowl section comes to the table.
Now, Kyla.
So we have this little egg cracker. It's really easy. This piece right here is so the yolk or the stuff doesn't spill out of it. So this is how it works. You open these, oopsies. You open these 2 things up and put the egg inside of it, like that. Sorry, that's one of our dogs. And we crack it, like push this down and crack it. 1 second, I need to put this on. I don't know how to.
Warning, that little piece that Kyla is having trouble with doesn't usually stick on as well as the other pieces do.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah. There we go. I got it. Okay, so then you crack it like this. There you go. and then we take this out, this bottom piece out, and put it into the bowl. So you might need an adult to help you get this open because it's kind of hard to, and I don't want to spill it. So first pour your egg into a bowl and then get all that in and then stir it very loudly. So, but it's just 1.5 tablespoons. I think 1.5 and tablespoon. So basically we take 1 of this and 1 of this one, put it into the bowl. So I'm gonna start stirring. Do you think that's good, Sabrina?
Maybe a little bit more.
Okay.
And make sure it's all combined so that you don't see any separation of the yolk in the whites. You want it to make all combined.
I was like, we're making scrambled eggs right now. I don't know why. Okay, do you think that's good right now?
Yep.
Okay. Put this, where should I put this? I'll just put it here. Okay, so
I'll take that.
okay.
And we have to do this fast so it doesn't go well. Boom. We did it.
Okay, so let's try to put this in.
If you need help, I can help you.
So fill it up to the line. Do you think that's good right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dump it in.
Okay, she dumped it in good. We are safe. I'm not going to.
There you go. Okay. And then we need this one, which is a 1/2 table.
1/2 tablespoon.
See? All right, it looks like the pink one, and the green one is the one that I just used. So and then take this. Yeah, it's on though. So now that we got the eggs in,
I'm going to stir the batter all together.
and then I'm going to spray the donut mold lightly. I'm gonna put it on the pan. Wait. There we go. There we go. I think that's good. I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit. There we go. So now that I got them sprayed, we are going to fill them the donut molds halfway full with the baking batter, and then we tap. And after that, we tap to release air bubbles, and then we place on the cookie sheet to start cooking.
After you have done that, set your oven to 350 degrees. Pop your cookie sheet into the oven and bake for 5 to 7 minutes, or until when you stick a toothpick into the center, it comes out clean. After they have baked, take them out of the oven and let them cool for an additional 5 minutes before decorating. Let's go do that. So we just got these out of the oven and let them cool for 5 minutes.
And I'm gonna pop one out, and Sabrina's gonna pop one out, and then we're both gonna pop 2 out.
Okay, so what it said in the directions is you want to make sure, like, squish them together like this so that the sides are all popped out, and then you want to flip it over and gently, very gently, pop it out like this.
Make sure it's one at a time.
Look how cute!
And that's my turn. I'm gonna probably do this one.
It's like a little cake. This is my
Last time I broke mine.
Oh, she popped another one out.
So basically that's my 2, I think.
And then I'll pop out the heart one.
Wait, look at this. No, this is a little cake.
Push and pop. I'm surprised that none of these have broken. Also, our oven runs pretty hot, and we had to bake ours for 10 minutes instead of 7 minutes because every time we took them out and stuck a toothpick into the center, it always came out with stuff on the toothpick. So 10 minutes worked really good for us. So we put both of our candy melts into a bowl or cup of hot water to let them melt and soften up. Then, if needed, knead them until they're moist. And then we're going to wipe them off. So I'm gonna do this one and Kyle's gonna do the other one. I'm gonna do blue and get the other bowl. So we're going to, here you go, Kyler. So you can grab the other bowl. So you're going to cut the tip of it. I'm gonna do the other side because there's hardness on that side. So you're gonna wanna cut it open and dump it into the bowl. And then and then you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the bowl so that it loosens it up.
Can I cut mine?
Yes.
Brian, you're gonna cut yours big and I'll cut mine small. Or are you both doing ours big?
We're both doing ours big.
Okay.
You also want to leave like an inch in there for decorating if you want to.
So I'm just gonna cut mine.
Whee! It's going in the bowl. Also, while you are doing this and while you're mixing it or decorating with the pouch, if it does start to get a little hard, don't worry and just stick it back into the water and it will soften it back up.
It's already a little getting our hand here.
Okay, so I think I've got as much as I can. It doesn't matter if it gets on your fingers.
It's always okay to get messy.
Yeah.
Okay. Can someone help me with this one? Okay, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
And 3, wait, do I bump it in?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, boom.
So now we're going to add one tablespoon of vegetable oil into the bowl. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the vegetable oil.
Oh, I think there's a little too much.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, I'm going to add a little bit less because I added more.
And then stir very, 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 very good.
Yep, and Kylie, you can go ahead and do yours.
I think I did a little too much on there. And then, oh no, mine's getting hardened.
Same. My chocolate is hard. It's not getting off the spoon.
Mom, it's getting harder.
So we had a little hard time with the melting chocolates. When we dumped them in, they dried really hard. They dried really fast. The blue one got all lumpy, so my mom's trying to save that one to see if she can get it to work. So the pink one kind of worked, but we had to throw that in the microwave for a little while to get it softened up. So and the olive oil helps it come to a little glaze. So now we're going to dump these in. I'm doing a heart. And Kyla's doing
this. I don't know what this
I don't know what
is.
it is.
And then I'm gonna also do it after that one because we're both making 2, right?
Yeah, that's cute. So this is what mine looks like. And I'm going to steal that plate from you real quick. And I'm going to place it onto the plate.
I think I got a little too much.
And I'm going to add some sprinkles. So I'm going to use the stars, and if you can see it, like this, I'm going to add some just to the corner.
I'm going to add some stars onto the top, and then I'm going to do the other one Jimmy's.
Cute. And then I'm going to also add some Jimmy's, just randomly around the sprinkle. A little more. You can never go wrong with sprinkles. So here is mine.
And then I'm almost done.
I'm so excited. This one's really cute. And I'm going to do a second one now.
I'm going to make some, and then I'm going to take some Jimmy's after I'm done with like this. And then I'm going to...
Now I'm going to take this one. I'm gonna do this one and then I'm gonna eat it after. So my mom was able to save the blue.
I'm gonna do the heart one, which is gonna be the blue.
I'm gonna wait for Kyla to be done. I don't want to. You know what I'm going to do? I'll do it after this one. So I'm gonna dump this one in.
And I was able to say the balloons.
And this one I'm gonna add some jimmies. And just sprinkle it all over this one.
Me too.
There you go. And
I don't know, which one are you gonna do?
that was really good. It's sweet, and the melting candy is not that sweet.
And I'm gonna
It's just the perfect sweetness.
And I'm gonna do the pink one to see how that one tastes.
Good, right?
It's really good.
This one, I'm gonna do a circle one, and I'm gonna go for an ombre. So I'm gonna dip half in the pink.
Can I still reflect and do an ombre effect too?
Maybe, sure. And then let that dry for a little bit. And then I'm gonna do it the same to the blue. Wait, let me wait for this to dry so that it doesn't get all in, let me sit down so you can see me. So that it doesn't get all into the blue one and mess it up. Okay, now I'm gonna dump it in.
I'm gonna do the same one as the blue one. Same one as the green. It's just, I'm gonna do blue first, and then pink.
Oopsies. There we go, and I'm gonna place this down. And then using a toothpick, I'm going to mix it up like this so that it looks like an ombre donut. Then I'm gonna add some jimmies to the pink side.
And then you're gonna
add some stars to the blue side. God, this one's so cute.
and then
Oh my god, I can't even. It's so cute.
I'm gonna try to do.
So overall, I think this was a really good set. The donuts were very, they weren't too sweet, but they were definitely at a good like sweetness and taste. They're so cute. It does say ages 6 and up. I think it should be like 8 and up because it is a little complicated.
Yeah.
And the only thing that I would change is the time that you bake them for.
Yeah.
Because we baked them for 10 minutes instead of 7, and they turned out perfect. What do you think about the baking set, Kyla?
I think it was really good. Also, I feel like it should be ages 8 and up, and the time too, because like we had to do 10.
Yeah.
Overall, but I really actually liked the set, and we tried some, and they were very delicious. We tried one with no frosting on it or no sprinkles, and it was very good.
Yeah.
So I think we like the set.
Also, it's more of like a cupcake than a donut.
A little bit.
Yeah.
But it's all tastes really good.
Yeah. So that's what we think about the set. I hope that you guys look at the set and enjoy it like we did.
It was very fun, and we enjoyed the time together with you and Abrina.
Yes. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe while you're down there subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the
bell button so you can get notified every time a new video pops up.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.